Shut your mouth, you little bugger. Hi, babies. Isn't this a nice way to start the day? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, Fred, you're liking it much better today, aren't you? Aren't you, buddy? Yes, there we go. Happy kids. Here, you want the ball?